Legal war over Shahjahan Sheikh custody is only exploding. Now the CBI has moved High Court seeking urgent hearing of the matter. Bengal police refused to hand over Shahjahan Sheikh to CBI. High Court's orders to hand over Shahjahan to CBI has been ignored. Supreme Court refuses urgent hearing of Mamata government plea. CBI has moved High Court now for urgent hearing of this matter. Meanwhile, Shahjahan remains in CID custody while CBI wants him after yesterday's court order. CBI has now moved court saying that we need the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh. Now this is being opposed. However, the Supreme Court has already refused the urgent hearing of Mamata government's plea in court. Bengal police are refusing to hand over Shahjahan Sheikh to CBI, which essentially is a violation of the order of the court. Right now, there is a legal war that's brewing over the main accused in the Sandeshkhali horror case, Shahjahan Sheikh's custody. Indrajit Kundu is getting asked more details. In fact, these developments and the resistance from the West Bengal administration has invited flag from all quarters. Indrajit, why are they resisting this? What's the explanation that the Bengal police is giving here and the Bengal government is giving here?
Well, we'll have to wait for an explanation coming in from the West Bengal government that hasn't come in yet. But it's clear from the move of the West Bengal police and the government that they are reluctant to, give custody of Sheikh Shahjahan, who has been arrested by the West Bengal police, and the case has now been transferred to the West Bengal CID. They are reluctant to hand over Sheikh Shahjahan to any of these central agencies. Now, remember, what is the original case? The original case is that of an attack on ED officials who had visited Sandeshkhali to raid Sheikh Shahjahan's premises. Based on the complaint of the ED officials, FIR was registered initially, and in that case, Sheikh Shahjahan has now been arrested. Now, yesterday, when the hearing was underway at the Calcutta High Court, the Calcutta High Court has now transferred the case from the West Bengal Police and CID to the CBI, and therefore, the Calcutta High Court had ordered that Sheikh Shahjahan's custody be given to the CBI by 4:30 p.m. Monday. That was yesterday. That deadline is over. However, despite CBI officials going to the Bengal CID headquarters, they failed to get the custody of Sheikh Shahjahan. And this morning, the central agencies, both CBI and ED, they moved the Calcutta High Court, and now the Calcutta High Court will hear this matter. So they have sought an urgent hearing on the matter, and they have the Calcutta High Court has taken note of the matter by the central agency. In the meanwhile, the state government has moved the Supreme Court. And the state government has also urged for immediate and urgent hearing at the Supreme Court because they are challenging the Calcutta High Court's order of CBI transfer of the case at this point in time and the handover of custody of Sheikh Shahjahan to CBI. So you are getting a protracted legal battle here, both at the Supreme Court and at the Calcutta High Court, with the state government refusing custody and reluctant showing its reluctance in giving custody of Sheikh Shahjahan, whereas the central agency is now literally knocking at the court's door for custody of Sheikh Shahjahan.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court, Indrajit, has also in fact refused to hear this petition by the West Bengal government, isn't it?
That's right. That's exactly what I said. The Supreme Court has refused to entertain the petition by the state government for an urgent hearing into the case because the state government wants to challenge the Calcutta High Court's order of CBI investigation into this entire matter, because that would mean that they will have to hand over custody of Sheikh Shahjahan to the CBI. And the CBI has also moved the Calcutta High Court this morning, saying that we went to get custody of Sheikh Shahjahan yesterday as per court's order, but we were not given custody. And remember, the ED is also tagged in this case. The ED is the ED officials are the one who were actually attacked by Sheikh Shahjahan's men at Sandeshkhali in January when they went for a raid at his premises. So both central agencies are active right now. All eyes on Calcutta High Court right now on what is the next directive that comes in from the Calcutta High Court. Yesterday, they handed over the case to CBI and asked that the custody of Sheikh Shahjahan be given to CBI. That hasn't happened. So will the state government once again face flack? Will the state police and the CID once again be pulled up by the Calcutta High Court? We'll have to wait and watch.
All right, be with us. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now, and Rajit Kundu getting us all of those details.